Hey Math 1 students, this is Mr. Flynn. How you doing? I want you to notice a few things. I'll be sending this out as an email, this information as well, but if you look on the Canvas website for our class, it'll also list the learning objectives for the week, okay? Also be on the lookout. I'm going to send out an email with notification that we're going to do a Zoom meeting. So let me see here. I'm looking to do the Zoom meeting on Thursday at 9:30 a.m. to 9:55. So Thursday, 9:30 to 9:55. I'll send out that information Thursday morning. We'll all hop on, we'll talk, no big deal, pretty simple. All right, this is only a 4-day week. So today we're gonna be, as you can see here, identifying the quadrilaterals and then area and perimeters a little further down. So here we have to state the most specific, oh, I got my eraser on, specific quadrilateral that we know. All right, and we'll talk about that in a little bit. Then we're gonna come down here and we're gonna find the area and the perimeter of each one, and we're gonna talk about which ones we wanna deal with, okay? Down here, if you notice, they only have the area formula or answers. They don't have the perimeter, okay? So you're gonna have to just do your best right now and not have a key with that. They weren't able to put a key on both of them. So what we do is we look for our characteristics, all right? We know that we have a parallelogram where the opposite sides are parallel to each other, and we have little arrows showing that. So that's a parallelogram. My arrows aren't very good on the top and bottom, all right? Then we have a rectangle, which is a parallelogram. That means the opposite sides are parallel, but then the opposite sides are congruent, and every angle is exactly the same. All right, so they're all right angles. Then we have a rhombus, okay, where the opposite sides are not only the same, but all four sides are the same, but not all four angles are the same. All right, so we have parallelograms, rectangle, rhombus, and then we have the square, where we have all four sides are the same, all angles are the same, and opposite sides are all parallel to each other. So what we're looking for are those type of markings on any of these. So if you look at number 1, all four sides are equal, all four angles are equal, that's a square. Now this is all in your notes, but again, this is just practice. So I just want you to be able to identify them, okay? That's kind of a key right now. So then down here, what we're gonna do, you're gonna need your calculator. We wanna find the area and then the perimeter, okay? So this, if you look at it, this and this side are the same. So if those sides are the same, because of the four angles are the same, all these, okay? That means all the sides are the same. So a square is just taking the length times the width, or each side and square it, okay? So the length is 7.9, the width is 7.9, so it's just 7.9 times 7.9, or 7.9 squared, because it is a square. And if we get our calculator on, okay, we get 7.9, and we square it or multiply it by itself, we get 62.41, and those are kilometers, and then you square it. So that's your area. So we go down to number 7. Here we go. Perfect. 62.41 kilometers squared. All right. Then over here, or let's do the perimeter then. The perimeter is just adding all four sides together, and the opposite sides are equal. So it's just 7.9 plus 7.9 plus 7.9 plus 7.9. Or what's a faster way? And I think people are saying it 4 times 7.9, because it's 4 of them. So if we clear our calculator, 7.9 times 4 equals, and we get 36.6. And that's kilometers, not squared, because it's a distance. Okay? So for your rectangle, area equals length times width. Perimeter equals length plus width plus width. Remember, the lengths and widths are not the same. For a square, the area is just one of the sides and square it, and the perimeter is just 4 times the side. Okay, and that's all you have here, and that's all you're practicing today. Okay, sorry I don't have any of the perimeter answers down here, but I'm sure you can get those easily. Okay, again, it's not just calculator work. I don't want just the answer. I want to see, the best thing to do is write the formula and then plug everything in, show me those numbers, and then give me that final answer. Okay, that's all we're doing today. Again, be on the lookout for the learning objectives for the week, and be on the lookout for when I start talking to you about the Zoom meeting that we're going to have with our class. I'll have Miss Bonilla with us, Miss Castillo with us, and then everybody that hooks in. We're really just trying to check to see how you guys are doing.